Aware Millionaire. I'm back at it again, and yeah, I just had a interesting discussion just now. I was talking to an upcoming trader, and she was telling me how recently she's been doing all this Googling online, all this Forex research, and how she's discovered Forex chart patterns, and specifically how she's identified or how she's learned about double tops and double bottom chart patterns, and how double tops and double bottoms are the future, etc., blah blah blah. And yeah, after having a lengthy discussion with her, I actually realized that there are some key things that traders are doing wrong when trading double tops and double bottoms. And yeah, in this video I just want to share with you the two biggest mistakes that traders make when trading double tops and double bottom formations, and how you can learn from these mistakes, do the opposite, and stand a better chance of trading this pattern successfully. So yeah, I hope you learn something from it and enjoy it. Let's crack into it.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
Before I actually get into the two biggest mistakes, I just wanted to quickly just share with you why it is important and why you should be trading double tops and double bottom formations. And the reason is because double tops and double bottom formations have always been there in the Forex market. They are currently still here in the Forex market, and also will always be in the Forex market in the future. And the reason is because when price gets to a key level, it can do one of two things. It can either break that key level or that price level, or it can bounce off that price level. And what a double top and double bottom formation is exactly that. It's the bounce off a price level. Okay, and this is how price behaves. This is how price will always behave. It's either going to break or bounce a key level. And the fact that it could bounce is why it's important for you to know and for you to understand how to trade a double top and double bottom formation. Now let's get into the first mistake that traders make when trading this pattern. Okay, so the first mistake is that basically they don't understand what the pattern actually is. Okay, most people just know double top and double bottom as an M or a W, okay, which is like very basic level amateur understanding. And also, look, I'm not a fan of chart patterns in the first place. I don't trade chart patterns. I think chart patterns are for amateurs. But the double top and double bottom formation is important because of what I just said. But again, most people don't even understand what the pattern actually is. And according to the textbook definition, okay, not my definition, the textbook definition of a double top, double bottom is that a double top and a double bottom formation is a trend reversal pattern. Okay, trend reversal. So the first key mistake that traders make when trading this pattern is they are not identifying what the trend is or was before the pattern actually occurred. Okay, they haven't even identified the trend. Okay, number one, they don't identify what the trend was before, and number two, they can't even identify a trend. Okay, that's already another mistake. They don't even know how to identify a trend properly, so they just end up trading any random double bottom or double top formation that they think is the actual formation, and yeah, haven't even traded it according to the actual definition of what you actually researched online, which is actually crazy. So that's the first thing, not even identifying the price action and the trend. Okay, and the second key mistake that traders make, and this mistake is insane, it's crazy. Some traders, they know what the definition of a double top or double bottom is. Okay, as I said, it's a trend reversal pattern. Okay, now the mistake that, and this is very big, the mistake that traders make when trading this pattern is that they assume reversal. They assume that price will reverse at the specific price level, and that's insane. Okay, how can you assume, okay, how can you predict that price is going to reverse when I've just told you that price can either bounce or break? Okay, we don't know which one is going to happen. So what amateurs do, okay, what most traders do is they start placing their orders at this price level, assuming that price is going to reverse. Okay, and that is wrong. Assumption is wrong. Assumption is for amateurs, and we already know what happens to amateurs in this game. Basically, what I'm trying to say is what you should be doing when trading double tops and double bottoms is, number one, you actually want to analyze what price did before the pattern. Okay, you want to analyze what did price do before the pattern. That's the most important thing. Again, number one is you need to ask yourself and you need to analyze, what did price do? What was the price action before this pattern occurred? That's very, very important. And if I can just give you an advanced tip to actually help you to actually make it so much easier, and like really so much easier for you, is what you want to be doing is you want to only be trading this pattern, this double top double bottom formation, at key price levels. Key price levels, I'm talking about things like support and resistance, or supply and demand. Okay, you only want to be trading this pattern at those key price levels, because you know those are significant price levels that price reacts to significantly in the first place. Okay, not just any random double top and double bottom that you see. Okay, and look, it's not actually really an advanced it's not an advanced tip. Well, it's not really advanced, it's very simple. The reason why I'm saying it's advanced, because most traders don't actually analyze what the price is doing now. Okay, and that's what you need to be doing, is you need to look, what is price doing now? What is the price action now? So what you want to be doing is you want to look, you want to read, and you see what the price action is doing now. And then secondly, what you then want to do is you want to wait for the confirmation of price. Okay, you want to wait for the confirmation of price action, the confirmation of the actual change in the direction, okay, or the actual confirmation of entry. Okay, wait for your confirmation of entry. Okay, stop assuming and start asking yourself, what is the actual confirmation that the price has actually changed direction? What is the confirmation of entry? And you can actually, that's where you can start looking at things like volume and etc. to help you to validate the price action and confirm the entry. Okay, instead of assuming and guessing what price is going to do, rather wait for look, read, and see what price is telling you, and actually do what the price is doing. Okay, trade with the actual price. So basically, number one, stop assuming reversal, stop assuming what price is going to do. Number two is actually look and read the price action, look and see what the price action is doing. And then number three, wait for your confirmation of entry. Okay, wait for confirmation that price has changed direction. Okay, wait for the confirmation before you just jump straight into the trade. And those are the two biggest mistakes and what you actually should be doing. Again, hopefully you learned something from this and you're not going to be making these amateur mistakes. And yeah, double tops, double bottoms, I'm out.
Batman, Batman, Batman.